The weather has been so good, very encouraging for planting vegetables. So the other day when I went to the market, a local market around me, I bought Ewedu seeds and just filled this bowl with some sand. I added some farmyard manure from my poultry. I let it sit for a few, I think 3 days, and then I spread the seeds on it, watered it every day, and the result is what you're looking, this vibrant green jute leaves, which I am so happy about. Now I don't have to buy ewedu from the market. I just come to this little farm of mine, pluck some, and I am good to go. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Let's cook Ewedu Alasepo, but I'll be chopping this the Ijebu way. Yes, in Ijebu, this is how we chop our Ewedu leaves. We do not use broom, which is Ijabe, and we do not use a blender. Traditionally, we use a chopping board and a knife, and we chop like this till it becomes fine. Yes, just like what a blender will give you. This method of chopping ewedu adds a nice woody scent to ewedu, quite similar to when you use a broom, but if you know ewedu that is chopped with wood, you will be able to tell the difference. I will continue with the chopping, but I want to start with the base for this Ewedu Alasepo, and I'll be using some goat meat, Ponmo, some Titus fish, that's mackerel. This is stock, goat meat stock that I got from the freezer. I added some chopped red scotch bonnet peppers, salt, and 1 stock cube. As usual, I will list the ingredients in the description box, so please do check it out. Added some water and I almost forgot to add iru, but thankfully it was still a good time, so I added that and covered to cook. While that was boiling, I returned to the ewedu to keep chopping till I have a smooth texture. This comes with quite some noise, but we don't mind. I believe many households in Ijebu still use this method to chop ewedu. Even though I have a blender to do this, I just wanted to go home on this day. And this is the result. This is nice. Alright, so I'm going to transfer this into a pan and add just a bit of water so that by the time I add it to the stock which I am cooking, it doesn't turn out too runny. If you're enjoying this recipe, please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed so that you can see more of my recipes. Thank you. So since I intend to cook this in a stock, I am not going to bother to cook this for too long. Just 3 minutes and that's okay. Time to set this aside and check on the stock, which is looking good, really good. And I like that the stock is not too much. There isn't too much water in this base, so that by the time I add the ewedu, everything will balance well and the consistency will just be right. To mix the ewedu in, I decided to take out the fish so that it did not break while I mix. Now pouring in the ewedu. I don't know if there are still a lot of people who eat ewedu, but I think Ewedu Alasepo is one soup that you should add to your collection of soups because it is really healthy, and for me it is very satisfying. I love to eat Ewedu Alasepo. Added some ground crayfish and returned the fish back in the soup. Now I just need to stir and let it sit on low heat for 2 minutes. That's the maximum, and this soup is ready. I paired mine with some oat swallow, and this is one healthy food that I think many of us overlook because according to some people it is not that fancy, but this is good for your body. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you with another one soon.